Why do we chant?
It feels good.
That's a good reason. But why does it feel good?
Vibration, connection.
Connection?
Release.
Yeah. Releasing what?
All that stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Like stuck energy. It just wants to move. Yeah. You think about the word emotion, right? One way to think of it is emotion, energy in motion. We feel emotion in our body as an energy. When we're excited, feel it in our chest, our heart starts beating. We feel scared, we feel it in our belly. This feeling of butterflies or fluttering. It's just an energy, and that energy wants to move. One of the things that happens when we experience trauma is we suppress that energy. We press it down, we depress it. And so it's just sitting there, dormant, waiting for it to be triggered. And then it often comes out, maybe in a not so kind or thoughtful way. It just comes out, because it kind of surprises us, We've been ignoring it all this time. And then somebody comes along and pokes you, especially your family. The family's really good at this. Like Ram Dass said, you think you're enlightened, go spend a week with your family. Everyone can relate. So you know why your family's so good at pressing your buttons? Because they're the ones who installed them. Yeah. So they know exactly where they are. Even if they're not doing it consciously, they know, So yeah, it's a beautiful release, to use the voice to help that energy just to move. It helps us to connect, connect with something deeper. Bass guitar would say chanting opens the heart. So what does that mean? That's something that we say a lot as yoga teachers, right? We do the heart openers. Well, I would say that the heart is never closed. The heart is always open, but sometimes our connection to the heart can become obstructed and blocked. So it could feel as if our heart is closed. But once that obstruction is removed, we see, all there is openness there. In that space, in the Upanishads, it talks about the cave of the heart being the dwelling place of our true self. And in that space is filled with love, compassion, sense of peace. So when we're connected to our heart, and that obstruction is removed, then that loving kindness, compassion, peace, joy, bliss, ananda, that can flow through us and flow into all of our thoughts, our words, and our actions, into our relationships with each other. So, yeah, for me, chanting is about connecting to my heart, to help those blockages release. So remove the obstructions so that, the love and kindness can flow more easily. And there can be shanti. There can actually be peace. Not something we're trying to do, but just as a natural outpouring of this compassion and love that is our essence. And that's like that homecoming that I felt. It's like reconnecting to my heart for the first time in a very long time. Feeling that, going, yes, I recognize this. This is who I really am. So we continue to practice, just to help keep that pathway open. Because life happens. It's not an easy world for us to be living in as sensitive people. And everyone here is a sensitive person. We wouldn't be here otherwise. So, for me, that's what the daily practice is all about. It's like clearing out the garden path, You bump up to somebody in life, they trigger that thing in you, you start to close up. You start to protect yourself. So just coming back to it, coming back to it.